There is no darkness, but ignorance. The power of intuitive understanding will protect you harm until the end of your days. He who talks more is sooner exhausted. He who controls others may be powerful, but he who has mastered himself is mightier still. To lead people, walk behind them. Doing nothing is better than being busy doing nothing. He who knows others is wise. He who knows himself is enlightened. An ant on the move does more than a dozen hawks. All difficult things have their origin in that which is easy, and a great things in that which is small. The wise man does not lay up his own treasures. The more he gives to others, the more he has for his own. Great acts are made up of small deeds. He who knows himself is enlightened. When you are controlled to be simple yourself and don't compare or complete, everybody will respect you. Silence is a source of great strength. Music in the soul can be heard by the universe. Kindness in words creates confidence. Kindness in thinking creates profoundness. Kindness in giving creates love. Anticipated the difficult by managing the early. There is nothing lacking. The whole world belongs to you. Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. Doing nothing is better than being busy doing nothing. By letting it to go, it all gets done. The world is won by those who left it go, but when you try and try, the world is beyond your expectations. He who knows does not speak. He who speaks does not know. He who controls others may be powerful, but he who has mastered himself is a mightier still. Anticipate the difficult by managing the easy. I have just three things to teach: simplicity, patience, compassion. These three are your greatest treasure. Thanks for watching the Course Proof Motivation. Do subscribe to my channel.